Hello everyone. Today we are going to present you with the weekly market outlook. We are going to discuss Nifty as well as Bank Nifty and few of the stocks, that how the market is looking from over here after a massive sell-off which we have witnessed today on Friday. So now let us see how Nifty as well as Bank Nifty is poised purely from a technical perspective and what could be the possible path in coming days. So this is the daily chart of Nifty. Today we have witnessed massive selling pressure. In the last 3 days also there were red candles, which is indicating a huge selling pressure in the market. On a weekly basis, the market has given a negative close and closed with a loss of 423 points. Or in terms of percentage, it was a loss of 2.35%. The blue line is 100 days moving average. The market has decisively closed below 100 days moving average, and it has given a close below its all short term as well as medium term moving average. We can see on a daily chart it is moving in a lower top lower bottom formation, clearly indicating a downtrend. So on the downward side, talking about support and resistance zone, next support is coming somewhere around 17,300, which is almost 17,290 to 17,300, which is a 200 days moving average. And below that, another key support is coming in the zone of 16,800 to 17,000. So there is a high probability that the market may drift down up to 17,300 or even 17,000 mark. Let us see on weekly basis how it seems to be looking. So this is the weekly chart of Nifty. We can easily see that it has given a breakdown from its last 4 weeks narrow range, and huge selling pressure has been witnessed. Almost it has gyrated in 1 month in the range of 18,200 to 17,800, and today the breakdown has been witnessed, and after that massive selling pressure has been seen. Now talking about RSI on a daily chart, if we see, that is the momentum indicator, small slight amount of positive divergence is coming, but not that much effective it seems to be. So any pullback might come from a 200 days moving average that is placed as of now at 17,290. So what could be the possible strategy or how to trade this fast moving market on the downward side? So before taking any long position, the high probability of coming down up to 17,290 to 17,300 is possible. So traders are advised to that they may go long around that zone with a strict stop loss placing at 17,200 for a temporary rebound up to the zone of 17,750 to 17,775. Strict stop loss should be placed since the medium term trend has turned almost negative. Now let us see how Bank Nifty seems to be looking purely from a technical perspective. So Bank Nifty, this is the daily chart of Bank Nifty. In fact, Bank Nifty has witnessed a strong amount of underperformance comparative to the Nifty and has fallen slightly higher than Nifty. It has given, this is the daily chart of Bank Nifty, it has given a close below its short term and medium term moving average. Now next major support for Bank Nifty is coming somewhere in the zone of 38,900 to 39,000, where 200 days moving average has been placed. Bank Nifty has gotten support around this zone, that is the gap area, but the chances of coming down up to 200 days moving average seems to be higher. Let us see on a weekly basis how Bank Nifty is witnessing. Just like Nifty, Bank Nifty has also given a breakdown from its rectangular pattern of narrow range consolidation, and it is indicating a further selling pressure coming down in coming time. So chances are high that as of now it is clearly indicating that it might move down up to the zone of 38,900 to 39,000. Talking about key support area for Bank Nifty, crucial support is coming around 38,900 and below that at 38,437, which is the previous swing low. While on the higher side, this zone will provide a crucial supply that is near to 41,600, and above that at 42,500 will act as a major supply zone. Now for the next week, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. First one is Bajaj Auto. In today's major carnage also, this particular stock has given a strong positive close. So it has closed almost near to its 6%. So you can see over here that after a good amount of consolidation, this stock has given a phenomenal outperformance in last 3 trading sessions on the back of the results. Today's volume was too good, so we are recommending it and buy at a current market price with a stop loss placing around 3830. You can say this low will also act as a major support area. This stock has the potential to move up to the mark of 4130. So over here, that is 4130 level is coming. On a weekly basis also, Bajaj Auto has given a good breakout with a strong volume after making a double bottom somewhere over here. So high chances that previous swing top should be retested in Bajaj Auto. Another counter which seems to be looking positive is JB Chemical Pharma. So let us see how that chart is looking. So JB Chemical Pharma, this is the daily chart of JB Chemical Pharma. You can see an triple bottom type of structure over the zone of 1920, and it has given a breakout from its falling trend line with a good amount of volume, that is the above average volume. This volume line is indicating it is an average of last 1 month volume. It has given a close above it. So chances are quite high that in coming time JB Chemical Pharma has the potential to move up to 2150. This stock can be purchased with a strict stop loss of 1975. So friends, that's it for the current week. See you in next week. Thank you very much for giving your valuable time and joining us. Thanks a lot.